Could your short-term rental use an additional $38,201 per year? Let me show you how. With one investment, you can get more consistent bookings, the ability to shortlist your short-term rental with prospects all across the country. You can increase the daily rental rates from your current rates by about $136 per day. You can add, on average, nationwide, 23 days of additional occupancy per year, and you can get an annual cash-on-cash return of 241% for the next 30 years. We're doing it with a hot tub. So there's a lot more that you need to know, though. So as far as mechanical maintenance on a tub goes, can your current handyman fix it with a Phillips screwdriver, or do you need a professionally trained technician? There's one available local. Next, leaks. How do you handle the maintenance, and are you even able to repair leaks on a hot tub? And sometimes that's by design that you're not able to. Next, was it designed to die in 7 years or last you for up to 30 years? After that, we have to consider the annual cost of ownership. So that could vary by as much as $1,000 or more per year, depending on where you live. Next, are parts available, or will Costco potentially put your business, your hot tub company, out of business, making parts impossible to find? Something to consider. Finally, chemicals. Will you be able to treat the water so it's going to be clean, smell good, and be safe for all of your tenants? So what you need is education. So hot tubs are very unique items, and they're very infrequent purchases. So there's a lot of engineering decisions that have gone into the decision-making process as far as structurally, electrically, mechanically, and the chemical balance for the entire tub. All that's figured out when they design the tub, how the tub is built. So we'll talk about how manufacturers make money on the tubs, and it's not exactly what you think. So there's features that really matter, and there's features that really cause problems for short-term rentals. We'll go through both of them. Then we've got checklists and proven procedures for your employees. So what's at risk if you buy it without an education? Could be $1,000 or more per year, depending on what electricity costs near you. Honestly, constant hours of frustrating communication with your tenants. You could risk your short-term rentals rating. And everybody knows that once you drop down, it's hard to build it back up. So could spend money on repairs that are confusing, expensive, and even impossible. There might be areas in the country where you can't even get a technician to work on any of these more difficult to work on hot tubs. Sometimes companies just go bankrupt and the parts go extinct. You just can't fix the tub anymore. And then there's the complicated and expensive way to handle the chemical maintenance. So here's what we'll cover in our hot tub masterclass. We'll cover the industry education, so who we are, both myself and our company. We have over 40 years of hot tub manufacturing experience, focusing on the engineering side of things. We'll discuss the market analysis on how the financials of your short-term rental are going to be affected. This is through occupancy, this is through the daily rental rate. We'll cover the different climates and how they're affected specifically by having a hot tub. We'll go through the cash-on-cash returns that you should be able to expect from owning a hot tub. We'll talk about the construction overview. So how are they built? Because 90% of the hot tubs that are built out there are built not in the best way for a short-term rental owner. So we'll talk about the incentives of the companies that build the hot tubs, what we call the hybrid, that's our unique model, and some of the differences between it and what you should expect. So some of the things that we'll cover are some of the features, colors, and models that are available. So how to select which ones for your specific short-term rental. Cover some of the common mistakes first-time buyers make, how to avoid them. There are some features that you should and should not put on a short-term rental hot tub. So a few features that rookies put on that can all but guarantee less than 5-star reviews. Some that might sound good for your first tub, but after a month of use, you'd never touch again. Finally, some that would be great for your personal hot tub, but would be terrible for your short-term rental because they're going to guarantee less than a 5-star review. We'll bring some exclusive bonuses for anyone who takes action. So our plug and play checklists and processes are everything you need for your business to run as smoothly as possible. Getting ready for the site prep, getting ready to launch the actual hot tub to your tenants, everything your handyman needs to repair the tub, everything your cleaners need to clean the tub as far as chemicals can go. How to photograph the tub so your profile stands out from the rest of every other short-term rental. Everything you need from A to Z to make it as simple, pain-free, headache-free, and hands-off as possible to integrate a short-term rental hot tub into your portfolio. Some additional benefits for anyone who takes action. We have exclusive pre-negotiated factory direct discounts. We'll get you a full year of chemicals for free, nationwide monitoring. So there's a few things that can potentially risk your tub being irreparably damaged due to weather circumstances. We have nationwide monitoring that we're going to be able to integrate with your short-term rental tub. We got a whole lot more. So 60 minutes could make you $40,000 or more this coming year. So you'll know what to look for. You'll know if your short-term rental can benefit. You'll have access to all the bonuses we talked about. And most importantly, if it doesn't make sense, now you'll know. So sign up for our next educational presentation. We're putting on a masterclass covering everything you need to know. So click the link below and sign up for our next one. There is no commitment. It's just learning. Feel free to quit at any time. Hopefully we'll see you there, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.